guys, and welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day crazy art slime makeovers. Recently I was at Walmart and I came across these really cool crazy art slimes. They were really fun and brightly colored, and I thought it'd be so much fun to give these slimes a makeover, so I'll be changing up the texture and the color. And these are going to be Valentine's Day themed, so I'm so excited for today's video and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the two piggies, Cinnamon and Snickers. They are both super cute. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them having floor time earlier this week. Now I'm going to take you over to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick out my supplies, and I am going to be using all sorts of kinds of different ingredients, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I'm going to be using. So here are the three Nickelodeon slimes that I'm going to be using for the makeover. So I'm going to be using the pink, orange, and clear pre-made slimes. So the first slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover is this really pretty pink one. If you've seen my previous videos, you will know that I really love the crazy art slimes. They're just so nice, and they're probably the closest store-bought slimes that you can get to a homemade slime. They're just so nice and glossy and super fun to play with. So to start off with the makeover, the first thing I'm going to do is pour the slime into a bowl. Next, I'm going to be adding some white Elmer's school glue. The slime is already kind of clearish white, so adding the glue is going to turn this into a nice white base, thick and glossy slime. Again, the slime is already soft, but adding the glue will make it even softer. So when I added the glue to the slime, it did make it a little bit sticky, so I'm just going to go ahead and reactivate it using my activator. If you want my activator recipe, it will be in the description box down below. I am going to slightly overactivate this slime because I am going to be turning this into a cloud slime. And when making cloud slime, you want it to be slightly overactivated because when you mix in the instant snow, it does melt down the slime a lot, so that's why we're going to be overactivating it. So now to make the slime nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. Next, to soften up the slime even more, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some lotion. Next, to change up the color, I'm going to dye the slime purple using some purple and blue food coloring. Now it's time to change up the texture of the slime, so I'm going to add some instant snow powder to turn this into a really fun cloud slime. So first I'm just going to activate my instant snow using some water, and you're just going to keep adding water until it turns really nice and fluffy just like this. Then you're going to go ahead and mix the snow into the slime and keep adding the snow until it's the right consistency you like. A great tip I found to making the best cloud slime is to also add some dry snow. This is going to make it extra fluffy and drizzly. As soon as your slime turns nice and drizzly and fluffy, just like this, then you know it's ready. If not, keep adding more instant snow. Finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to add some star-shaped glitters and some really cute sprinkles. So here's the first slime makeover all completed. Here's the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. This slime turned out so drizzly and sizzly. If you haven't tried making cloud slime yet, I definitely recommend trying it. It's just so much fun to play with, and it's probably one of my favorite slimes to make at the moment. So the next slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover is the Neon Orange Crazy Art Slime. So instead of turning this into a white glue based slime like last time, I'm going to add some clear glue to this just so I can keep the slime nice and clear. Now that the slime is nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and change up the color using some red food coloring. The slime did melt down a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and reactivate it using my activator. Again, my Activator recipe is in the description box down below. Now to give the slime a super fun texture, I'm going to add some fishbowl beads to turn this into a fishbowl slime. Adding the beads will make the slime super nice and crunchy, but make sure not to add too many or else the beads will fall out of the slime. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to add some pink, red, and silver glitter. So here's the second Valentine's Day slime makeover all completed. So here's the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. I am so happy with the end result of this slime. It just turned out so amazing. The bubble pops are incredible, and I just had a ton of fun playing with this slime. So the last and final slime that I'm going to be giving a makeover is the clear one. To start off with the makeover, the first thing I'm going to add is some pink and white glitter to give it a nice sparkle. Next, I'm going to add these really pretty heart-shaped glitters that I found at Target, and I thought it would go perfect with the Valentine's Day theme. Now to soften up the slime, I'm going to add some clear glue. And again, the slime is already really soft, but adding the glue will make it even softer. The slime did get a little sticky after adding the glue, so I'm just going to go ahead and reactivate it using my activator. Next, I'm going to add some pink food coloring just to make the color a little darker. Now to give this slime a super fun texture, I'm going to add some white foam beads to turn this into a foam. I love adding foam beads into slime. It gives it a super fun and unique texture, and it's really good for bubble pops. Finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to add some small and large rainbow sprinkles. So here's the last Valentine's Day slime makeover all completed. So here's the slime before the makeover, and here it is after. I am so happy with the end result of this slime. It just turned out so gorgeous and I'm in love with the color. The heart-shaped glitters go perfect with the Valentine's Day theme, and I had a ton of fun playing with this slime. So here, all three of the Valentine's Day slime makeovers all completed. I had so much fun recreating these slimes. I think it's so cool that we can take 3 ordinary basic slimes and turn them into 3 brand new beautiful slime textures. I had so much fun filming this video, and the slimes were a ton of fun to play with. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to comment down below which slime makeover was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you would like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you all have a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!